Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interest. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you. Let's examine Guidewire, a cutting edge insurance program and its uses for accelerating insurance processes.
Like for reconciliation batch. You can just say that for reconciliation batch. It's a batch process which will prove we have to send the claim information once. Suppose you have to create the checks in the claim center, right? Suppose the check is created in CC for a claim. In CCC means claim center for a claim. Once the check is created, it has to be sent to the bank, that is, has to be paid to the claimant, right? Claim is integrated with the bank. CC is integrated with bank and bank will send this to claimant. Now once claim center will not send it to billing center and billing center will be sending it deployment. No, billing center works with the invoices premium amounts. It will not work with. The claim amount billing center is just for taking bank. It would be an integration with the whatever bank they are working with. Yes, whatever claims, it would be going to the claimant, right? It would go through the claim central. It won't go through the billing sector. Claim billing center is just for the invoices which customer has to pay to the insurance company. Means clear as an insured, as I have to pay to the insurance company managing all those stuff. A billing center is used but for these purposes, claims purposes, right? Whatever checks are created for the claim purposes, those are created in claim center, not in billing center. And then the bank has to be integrated and it will send the details to bank, and suppose the bank has cleared that to the claimant, right, payment has received the payment. This information is not yet with the claim center. There is a batch which claim reconciliation batch. What it will tell me, it will run on periodically on daily basis, runs on daily basis every night. This batch will run and it will go through all the claims in the claim center which are in draft state or which are incompleted or which are in drafts. You can put iterate through all claims which are in some status we need to keep. We can name it as a draft or completed. We'll make no, sorry, draft is fine. And then it will run iterate through all the claims. Or else we can do other way round as well. It will. Then first step is it will pick a file from a shared directory. When we click on this batch, right, when the batch will be done periodically, the first step the batch will do is it will pick a file. there is a file which is placed in some shared repository, it will pick that file and read that file. That file would contain the details of each. That file would contain multiple rows of data. Each row of data will be for single claim. Suppose there are 4 claims are cleared by the bank, 4 claims. Information would be kept in a file and it would be put in a shared location. What billing center will do every night? It would go to the dead shared location. It will pick up that file. It will check what are the claims which are cleared today. It will fetch that information and it will change the status of those claims as closed in the build claim center. This is a high level what my claim reconciliation batch can do. Read the file, iterate to the claims. Change the status from draft to completed for the claims which are in where this file has came from. This file might have came from the bank. My bank has put the file in some shared directory based on the confirmation they got right. Once they are easily able to success and they are successful to send the money to the claimant right. They will put that information in a file in a shared directory. What claims interval will do? Just go on a daily basis and check that file. Here you are using TP file transfer protocol. We have read about TP, right? Read the file using FFP. This is done. Claim reporting batches, suppose it will. It's just a reporting integration. It's like whatever claims has been reported in a single day. We need to create a consolidated data of it in XML format, and we just need to send it to the claim reporting system. We can call it as name. I will confirm it again. I will have some real-time claim reporting system. Let's not put the name of the third-party integration, but the name of the batch is claim reporting batch. We are just storing the claims information in this third-party system on a daily basis just for reporting purposes. Telematics, as we already told, right, when we send the XML, what would be the kind of integration there? XML can be SOAP and REST anything. It can be SOAP integration or it can be REST integration as well. But then we have services. Are you saying that we'll be calling? I mean, we will be posting the data to the reporting. Yes, we'll be posting the data to in the XML format using web services inside the claim reporting batch. We are calling a web service which is published by the reporting system on daily basis. We are calling a web service as a payload. We are consolidating XML and we are sending it to the reporting system name. I'll confirm it later. Then we are calling, apart from XML, can we send a JSON? JSON also is possible. But mention JXML here because I have worked on one of the reporting systems. They would, because those are legacy systems, right? They won't be accept legacy systems. Mostly they accept XMLs generally. That's why because JSON would be accepted by the newer systems mostly. But for insurance, right, these reporting systems are generally legacy systems. That's why I mentioned XML, telematics, payload excellent telematics. As we already discussed, right, telematics can be even those are running batch, right? Batch when the first notice of loss comes in. That's when we run these reports. We can schedule this batch process. We can schedule it like suppose I have written here a write run on daily basis every night. I can specify the time also at what time I need to run this batch, but when do we run it? That's what my question is like telematics. Telematics. As soon as you get first notice of loss, or when the insurance register is working on it, or in this case, we can run it on daily basis, right? Instead of doing it based on the business scenario, we can do it by default on daily basis, right? Whatever this is, but what would be the condition? What would be the state in which the claim is? Is it a final notice, or you are talking about got it, got it? You are talking about the status of the claim, right? When the vehicle is reported, if we can, because this will be attached to the vehicle, right? If suppose a claim is reported today, when and FNO is generated today, but the vehicle information is not filled in. Telematics report batch will run, but it will not pick up that record. Why? Because the vehicle information is not filled in when the FNO is generated and a vehicle record is. Vehicle record means VIN number. VIN number is available, and one more condition and claim is a new loss validation level. I'll talk about the validation levels when we'll be going through the claim center sessions, right? There are multiple validation level in claim center. We have kept this condition here that when the claim is in new validation, new loss validation level, and there is a VIN number and there is a new FNO generated. Then we will pick that particular record for the telematics batch and it will trigger the integration and get back the values from the telematics data from the telematics. These and this can also be a web service call, right? Yes, actually this is a batch process, but inside batch process we are configuring web service. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.